guys, it's Sunny here, back with another video. Today we're gonna be making gummy slime. I know not many people requested it, but I decided to because it's past Halloween. Most people have lots of gummies and candy like that. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, we have to put all the gummies into the microwave. So you have to put it at least 10 seconds at a time. So I'll be right back when I'm finished. And also remember, always do it for 10 seconds at a time. Just a reminder to, be right back in 1 minute. So now when it's around looking like this, I chose specific colors. That's why it looks like this. But anyways, when it looks like this, you should get out some flour and corn flour. Since I live in Ireland, I use corn flour. But if you're in America or something like that, it's cornstarch. So yeah, add it in gradually, and then you'll get slime. So yeah, until it doesn't become sticky. So I guess I'll see you later. Bye bye. Peace out.